So the cable goes from here, and I have tucked in into this space. Yeah, if you can see this. So from here you cannot see the cable at all. So the cable is very easily tucked in because it is not very hard to. It's actually having some gap. And from there, sorry, yeah. So it goes from here. So here it was a bit difficulty. This part of the cable for me is coming out because the cable is not straight. So it has come out a bit here. Actually I can push it and it will go, but again it's coming out. So actually I can put a tape here and it will not even come out, but I haven't done that because it was not visible because of the black, that border what we have on the so if you push one side, again it will come out on the other side. If I push here, then it will again come out in here. So that's how it is. So it goes all the way here. I have pushed in using my credit card. In some places it is loose, some places it is hard. Then again from here I have taken it through this place. Just to focus, yeah. So I've pushed in the cable in this space. So yes, you cannot see the cable because I have already pushed it in this space. See, you can see the cable now, right? So I've pushed in using a credit card and it goes like this, and again I pushed it into this part, and see, you can see a little of it because it's loose here, so it is coming out. Then it goes down, and from here it's a bit visible here. Here also I can just push it off. Then from the below you have this part a bit loose, this mat, so the cable can be thrown into that from here, just like that, and even that part can be hidden, and all the way from there I've got this into this part. So what I've done is actually I'm using a this is a little messy here. I just have to organize things here. So this, if you are wondering, this is my ambient lighting cable which also I'm supposed to fix here, so I'm not finding time to do. So from here one cable is coming from my power source, and here I'm using this multi-pin thing. So I have not used the cigarette lighter charger because this multi-port adapter is having a USB, so the camera, the dash cam USB is coming and fitting into this one because it's having some USB ports. I've just fit into this. So with the help of this I can actually switch off or switch on the camera if I wanted it, and I can keep the other things like that. So that's how it is, bro.